Did you know that your bones are about 5 times stronger than steel? That's right. When we think of strength, we often picture metal, but our bones are a remarkable feat of nature. They're made up of a tough protein called collagen, which gives them flexibility, and a mineral called hydroxyapatite, which provides hardness. This unique combination allows bones to withstand incredible forces. For instance, the femur or thigh bone can bear loads of up to 1,800 pounds. That's like supporting the weight of a small car. Plus, bones are constantly renewing themselves, breaking down old tissue and forming new. This process keeps them strong and healthy throughout our lives. So next time you think about strength, remember that your bones are not just a framework. They're a powerhouse of resilience and durability.